Special list of words, part 7. First word is immigrate. So, M and half length of GR. Immigrate. Next, immigration, immigration. GR in half length and N का hook. Immigrant. Murder, double length of MR. Murder. Murdered, MR and DR in half length. Murdered. Then double length of MR and downward R is murderer. Next, murderous. ठीक है, murderous. Next, murderous, MR, DR and S. Murderous. Define, DF and N. Define. Definite. So D, F and N in half length. Definite. Definitely, D, F, N in half length and downward L. Definitely. Definition, then D, F, N and shun. Definition. Definitive, then D, F, N, T and V. Definitive. Definitively, D, F, N, T and VL. Definitively. Next, indefinite, then in, D, F and N. Indefinite. Undefined, and half length of N, because of D and F and undefined. End. Next is ending, half length of N and ing. Ending. And this is endless. Neat. This is neat. Needed, needy and needy. Needless, needless. Needlessly. Ingenious. Ingenious. Ingeniously, ingenously. Next word, ingenuity. So ingenuity Ni and T. Ingenuity. Ingenious. This is ingenious and this is ingenious. So in J and S. Ingenious. Next is ingeniously. So outline will be ingenuous, ns and ly. Ingeniously. Next ingenuousness. ठीक है, ingenuousness. So in G ns, ingenious, and for ness ns. Ingeniousness. Labor. LBR. Labor. Labored. L and half length of BR. Labored. Next is laborer. So LBR and downward R. Laborer. Next is laborious. So LBRS. Laborious. Laboriously. LBRSL. Laboriously. Elaborate. LBRT in half length. Elaborate. LBR and half length of T. Elaborated. Next elaborately. So LB half length of R and L. Elaborately. Elaboration. L B R and shun. Elaboration. Learn. L R N. Learn. Next is learned. L R N. Learned. Next word is learning. Sorry, this is learned, and next word is, and this in this way we also can write learned. Okay, this is half length of R and N, and we can write like this also, L R and N. Learned. Okay, next is learning. L R N and ing के लिए suffix. Learning. Next word is learner. L R N and downward R. Learner. Right. R T. Right. Clear? Next, writing. Then R and ing. R in half length and ing. Then written. R and written. And next word is unwritten. So un and disjoin करके written. R and written. Wrote. R T wrote. Next is rotate. Then R and half length of T. Rotate. Rotedness. Roten and ness. Rotenness. Rotain. R T and inca suffix. And roten. R T N. Roten. Regret. So outline will be R G R and T. Regret. Regretted. R G R and half length of T. Regretted. Regrettable. G R regret and able. Regrettable. Next, regretful. Regret and full. Regretful. FL. Regard. Regard in half length. Regarded. Regard and date. Regarded. Next, regarding. Regard and ink. Regardful. Regard F and downward L. Regardful. Okay. Next, refer. R F R. Refer. Next is referred. R F and R. Referred. Next, reference. R F R N S. Reference. Next word is referendum. Referendum. Then R F R in half length N and M. Referendum. Next word is rough. R F. Rough. Next, rougher. Then R and reverse form of FR. Rougher. Next is roughest. R F and SD का loop. Roughest. Next is roughly. R FL in reverse form and इनके लिए suffix. River. R V R. River. Next is revered. So R V and RD. Revered. Clear? Next, reverence. R V R N S. Reverence. Next word is reverent. R V, half length of R and N, reverent. Irreverence. IRVRNS, irreverence. Human. HM and N का hook, human. Next is humanity. Then HM N and T, humanity. Next, humanly. Humanly. Inhuman. Inhuman. And humane. So humane. Humane. Herd. HRT in half length. Next, herdy. H downward R and T, in herty. Hertier. H half length of R and R, in hurt, herty, hertier. Next is hurtly. HRTL, hurtly. Next word is hurtiest. HRT and ST, hurtiest. Hard. H and RD, RD in dark, hard. Next word is harder. HRD, harder. Hardest. HRD and half length of S, hardest. Hardy. So, upward H, R and D, hardy. Hardiest. Upward H, R, D, S, T, hardiest. Okay, so here is the complete list of part 7.